Welcome back. Wanted to do another update on the trail. Looks like they've got most of the connections done to it now as well. So I thought I would take the drone up and fly it over one more time. As you can see now, the connector into the main sidewalk system's done and the old trail. So they got that piece done. Looks a little cleaner than it did before, at least on this end of the trail. I'm going to try to do a flight down through the trail following somebody here in the next couple of days. As I flew through it today, it looked like there's still quite a little bit of construction debris and work still going on, so give it another week maybe. So if you get a chance, please feel free to subscribe to the channel, and I'll try to do more updates like this in the area. There you can see the Litzy Road Bridge, the 100-plus-year-old bridge that they reused on the trail. Looks really good. In fact, if you have any ideas or things that you'd like to see more information on, let me know, and I'll try to get some information and a video done on them. Appreciate everybody watching these videos. As you can see here, we're coming up on the Ladybug Park, and they've got the connector into the sidewalk system done there as well. Now the side of the trail that goes off to 114 here's got some construction still going on. It hasn't been cleaned as much as the other side. You can still see the light posts are in. And all the bridges look to be complete, at least for travel. See quite a little bit of water standing around in the little streams from all the rain that we've had. As you can see ahead here, there's still quite a little bit of construction going on. There's some debris on the trail. Looks like maybe they're starting to build some benches. I know I saw a post on that earlier. Be nice to have some of that along the trail as well. The final bridge up here is complete, and you can see the trail kind of tapers off as it gets to 114. It looks like they've just kind of stopped construction there for right now. I'll try to get an update on when they're going to push past the 114 side. So we've got some light poles here. See on the elevations they got some side walls. I think it's probably to help protect the trail from getting muddy. That's pretty much it for now. You can kind of see where it ends. Uh, Shortly, they're going to start work on the next piece of it, which is going to go across underneath 114 and connect up to Hawaiian Falls. And I'll try to post an update on it soon, and I'll also do a lower level fly through the trail so you can see it more from a bird's eye view. If you like the video, please hit like on it, and you might consider subscribing for more content in the area. I would really appreciate it. Thank you.